We got the party shirt going because this is going to be a party you are going to want to attend. This is going to be juice you're going to want to squeeze. That was bad, but seriously, the 48-month rule with Chase is something you are going to want to take part of, especially if you've had the Sapphire Preferred or even the Business Unlimited. So let's talk about it. What is Chase's 48-month rule? Is there actually a way for you to get a sign-up bonus multiple times? Because if you can get it twice, why not? Heck yeah, I'm all in. So what this means is Chase actually has kind of this internal rule with their system and their bank that you can actually receive a sign-up bonus twice. Now it's specifically with two cards, more so. The Chase Sapphire Preferred card and the Chase Business Unlimited card. So what this means, how you can utilize it is, for one, if you've had the Sapphire Preferred for 4 years, I guess, or even longer, what you can actually do is you can downgrade that card into a Freedom card, one of the Freedom cards, because with Chase you can actually get multiple Freedom cards or multiple Freedom Unlimited cards. They allow you to do that. They allow you to interchange between products. So what you would need to do is you can downgrade your Chase Sapphire Preferred card, and likely the best way to do this is to downgrade it before or during a high sign-up bonus option, because if the Sapphire Preferred has a increased sign-up bonus of 80,000 points or 100,000 points, you should do it then. But typically, you want to make sure that you've had the card for at least 3 to 4 years, right? 48 months is typically the rule. So you downgrade the card, and then you would actually apply to the same card again. And you could receive that sign-up bonus for a second time, and you still get the benefits back of your preferred card. Now the great thing is, as well, if you downgraded that card, you still get to keep the age of that card. So you've had that card for 4+ years. Now your Freedom Unlimited gets to have that same limit, have that same card, that same spending power, which is fantastic because you did not affect your credit report. So that is how you would utilize it. Now, specifically with the preferred card, which is fantastic. The preferred card is a great card. I have plenty of videos talking about it. I think it's a fantastic card for any beginner person to get familiar with travel hacking and utilizing points, but it's also the card that you need to transfer points outside of Chase's system. So that's how you get 2 sign-up bonuses with the Chase Preferred card. Now, you can also do this very similarly to, that was tough to say, on the business side with the Business Unlimited card. Now, what you would need to do with the Business Unlimited card is pretty much same scenario, except for you would actually cancel the card. I would typically wait 6 to 12 months before applying again. But before you do that, make sure that you are also timing when you are getting Chase cards. So let's say you got a Chase Business Cash card, or let's say you got the Unlimited card first, and then that 0% for 12 months is up. Now you get a Chase Business Cash card. So I would apply to the Chase Business Cash card, you would get your limit, and then I would transfer that limit over. Make sure that you transfer the limit from your Unlimited card over to your Cash card, because now you have extended buying power. So let's say you got a $20,000 limit on the Cash card, you had a $20,000 limit on the Unlimited card, transfer that limit over to the Cash card. Now you have $40,000 on that card, because you can do that with Chase at 0% for an extended period of time, which is fantastic. So the Unlimited card, instead of necessarily downgrading it, after you transfer the limits over, you would call in and ask them to cancel out that card. Now, like I said, the same process would apply, where you would want to apply to that Chase Business Unlimited card probably 6 to 12 months after you had canceled it, right? Give it time, and make sure, right, 48 months is pretty standard as well if you had that card for a couple of years. I heard as well on the business side, it can be up to 24 months. So I would call in before applying again, let's say a year later, and see if you can still get that sign-up bonus. And they are known to have, right, 90 and 100K sign-up bonuses on those business cards, which are huge, right? So you could do this with both of those cards. Let's say you got two 80K sign-up bonuses, 160K with the preferred. Let's say you got two 90K sign-up bonuses, 180K. It's almost 400,000 points right there. Two cards. It's incredible. You can get tons of travel with that when you do it the right way. So that is the process of getting, that is the 48-month rule, essentially. The 48-month rule with Chase. You can do it on the business side and the personal side. Like I said, business side, a little bit more strategic in how you do it. You would just cancel that card, then apply, make sure that you will receive it again. Preferred card, you would downgrade it into Freedom Unlimited interchange, and then you would apply again there. So that is the 48-month rule. Essentially, you can get two sign-up bonuses with two different cards with Chase after you've had the card for 48 months. Business side, I've heard 24 months, but you want to call in and just make sure that that is the case. So I told you that would be saucy. I told you this is a party you wanted to show up to and get the information, because you could get 400,000 points off of two cards. That's a lot of travel, especially if you're on this channel, because we can do a ton with 400,000 points. And if you found it valuable, like I said, I have a free community that you can hop into and get the information you need and learn these tactics and these strategies, and you can collaborate and network, and maybe you can find someone to travel with at the same time, and you guys can save even more money. So join the Free School community if you haven't, because it's awesome connecting with you guys, and I'm super excited to keep providing you value in some other way outside of YouTube and connecting with you guys. So be there, or be square, or hit the like button and subscribe, and I hope you appreciate the value, and I look forward to the next video.